Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover how a software update crashed computers around the world, fixes for the faulty update, Apple's new open-source models, Google and Ray-Ban's AI smart glasses, and a loophole blocked by OpenAI. First, let's talk about how a software update crashed computers around the world. A faulty update from CrowdStrike impacted Windows computers globally, affecting sectors like businesses, airports, healthcare, and media. The issue was traced to a defect in CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor update. While a fix has been deployed, the recovery process might take some time, especially for systems heavily impacted. The U.S. government is closely monitoring the situation. Agencies such as Homeland Security and CISA are prepared to provide support during the recovery process. This incident highlights the critical need for robust testing before deploying software updates, particularly in sectors that are vital to daily operations. Next, let's address the fixes for the buggy CrowdStrike update. The update caused Windows systems to crash, resulting in blue screens of death. This impacted various businesses, including airlines and 911 call centers. Microsoft and CrowdStrike quickly pulled the faulty update and provided guidance to IT administrators on how to handle the situation. Administrators are advised to reboot affected systems up to 15 times to obtain a non-broken update. If this doesn't work, Microsoft recommends restoring systems from a backup made before the buggy update. Alternatively, they can manually delete the problematic CrowdStrike driver in safe mode. While inconvenient, these steps aim to stabilize the affected systems as quickly as possible. Now, onto some positive developments from Apple. Apple's research team has released open DCLM models on Hugging Face. These models feature 7 billion and 1.4 billion parameters and outperform previous state-of-the-art models like Mistral. The larger 7B model achieved significant improvements on benchmarks while using less compute for training. These models were developed through extensive collaboration and advanced data curation techniques. They are available under licenses that allow for commercial use, distribution, and modification. This release showcases Apple's commitment to contributing to the open-source community while pushing the boundaries of machine learning performance. Moving on, Google is in talks with Ray-Ban for AI-powered smart glasses. The discussions involve developing Gemini smart glasses that integrate Google's Gemini AI assistant. These smart glasses are expected to feature a microphone, speaker, and camera, but will not have displays, aligning with prototypes shown at I/O 2024 for Project Astra. EssilorLuxottica, the parent company of Ray-Ban, is also partnering with Meta on the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. There is a possibility that Meta may acquire a minority stake in EssilorLuxottica, which could impact Google's plans. This collaboration could revolutionize the way we interact with smart devices, making wearable tech more intuitive and accessible. Lastly, let's discuss a significant update from OpenAI. OpenAI has blocked a loophole that allowed users to identify any bot by exploiting the "ignore all previous instructions" command. The new technique, called instruction hierarchy, ensures that the model follows the developer's original instructions rather than user-injected prompts. The first model to include this safety feature is GPT-4o Mini. This update is part of OpenAI's ongoing efforts to enhance safety and regain trust amid concerns about its practices. By improving the reliability and safety of AI interactions, OpenAI aims to set higher standards in the industry. And that's it for today's Techpresso. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow for your daily Techpresso.